Now, while the Modi government remains committed to hold NEET and JEE examination in September, the opposition is upping the ante there. Congress has called for a nationwide protest on Friday, calling for delaying the examinations cleared by the Supreme Court. BJP ally AIADMK ruled Tamil Nadu has also joined opposition states against the centre's decision to hold examination. The EPS government requested the centre to do away with NEET exams this year. In fact, it also requested that admissions be taken on the basis of class 12th marks. Congress President Sonia Gandhi, in the meanwhile, has held a meeting with chief ministers of 7 opposition-ruled states on Wednesday. All 7 chief ministers, including Mamata Banerjee, Uddhav Thackeray, Amrinder Singh, agreed to challenge the centre's decision on holding of NEET and JEE exams in Supreme Court. Meanwhile, the academic community has written a letter to Prime Minister Modi extending its support to NEET and JEE exam postponement, calling it a big move to ensure that students don't lose a whole year. Cutting across to Akshay Nath for joining us with more details on that. Akshay, Tamil Nadu has also now pushed for JEE and NEET examination to be postponed. In fact, we know Tamil Nadu's stance. They don't even want NEET and JEE to take place in the first place. Why should there be an entrance exam is their contention. But take us through what the sentiments of students on ground in Tamil Nadu is.
Well, Nabila, as you rightly said, the state is of the sentiment that NEET exam is not required in the state of Tamil Nadu, especially because here, for the last couple of years, it has been seen that entrances were taken into consideration based on their 12th marks. So why not continue the same procedure is the question that the state government as well as the opposition parties have been maintaining since NEET was introduced. In fact, even the student community here have been insisting that NEET is not something that they accept because of one factor that the education system is different in different parts. The syllabuses are very different and NEET has a common entrance syllabus and that is very different from the government syllabus which students follow here. So this year around, because of the pandemic and the continuous delay that students have been facing, one request that the state government has made to the health minister is that do not conduct NEET exam, just make allotment based on the 12th marks. And the opposition party here, which is led by the DMK, has also voiced out the similar opinion. MK Stalin had in fact stated that why not EPS's government also approach the Supreme Court like the 7 other state ministers who are to approach the Supreme Court asking for the postponement of the exams. Right. But the big question, Nabila, here is that most of the 12th standard students who are sitting for NEET or JEE, they are on a plane where they don't know whether the exams will happen or not. And this uncertainty itself is taking a toll on these kids. So why not figure out a proper procedure and end it and finally get all these students back to college is one request most educationalists are making here.
Akshay, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Growing support for postponement of JEE and NEET. It remains to be seen what the government responds with.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.